Okay, so what I was going to do is I was going to do an unboxing of the Alpine S-A60M. Here's what you got right here. It's going to be powering a JL 12-inch, the WOV3 series, JL audio. Um, this amp only ran me $199. And if it's anything like what I had before, this will be good for years to come. Here's the rating that comes out of the box. When you get the box, the first thing that you will see is the actual certification, because they test them before they send them. This was tested on 7/16/2020. Now, to me, this says 851. Okay? Max RMS at 2 ohms is 600. All right? 4 ohms is 330. Y'all tell me what this say. To me, matter of fact, let's just get closer and closer. That looks like it says 851. Or it might be a signature. I have absolutely no clue. But the RMS is supposed to be 600 watts right there. All right, and we're gonna do a quick size comparison. Bam, that's an Xbox controller. All right, a lot of us know how big an Xbox controller is, so that means this thing is tiny. My ashy hands, bow, is bigger than the amp. But then again, I got, manly man hands. All right. Bam. All right, and here is what the amp looks like. Bop. High-low gains. Remote bass control. Definitely going to be needed. Alright. And some mono block. I'm only going to have it powering one, and then I also got the recommended. Now, this knob was, to me, a little bit expensive. It was about $32. Both of these I got off Amazon. I will definitely leave a link down below, so you can definitely go check it out. But this should be more than enough for what I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put it in my semi-truck, and this should be more than enough. And the great thing about it is, because it's small, I can literally mount this thing anywhere. Again, here's the size comparison. Xbox controller, okay? Xbox controller. Let's see. That's what we have. All right. But again, this will be powering a JL Audio 12-inch W0V3. For those that know, you know. Look how the Alpine shining right there. Wait a minute. How did I catch that flash right there? Hey, wait a minute, Alpine. Did you just gleam on them? Gleam on them, baby. Up. Anyway, there you have it. Peace.